Okay, just got through changing out exhausts on my Yamaha Bolt. There's the old one. Big, fat, heavy thing. And there's the bolt here. Of course, it's night right now, so the light may not be that great, but this is what I put on there to replace that big old fat thing that was on there. Try to give you a better shot of it here. So as you can see there, it's a short exhaust pipe. It's called the GP Shorty. I forget the manufacturer. But got that little baby on eBay. 60 bucks. So not exactly a high dollar mod. Can't really see it there. But okay, you're saying, so how's it sound? Well, folks, she's loud. You want to hear me coming now? And my back tire or anything like that. Okay, that's enough. I'm probably scaring the dog.